MyWifi Networks is the leading guest platform for social data capture, marketing automation, and third-party integration. We offer a completely white-labeled, customized solution that allows any digital agency or a managed service provider to monetize guest Wi-Fi for their brick-and-mortar locations. The biggest value that we offer is monetizing guest Wi-Fi for people that come to physical locations. A lot of people will come to a physical location, they'll dwell, but they won't necessarily buy anything. We need to bridge the physical and digital world to take that physical person, create an online profile for them, understand who they are, what's their gender, their birthday, their interests and social profiles, capture that data, and then build loyalty with continuous marketing automation. The power of our platform is that we layer over existing hardware like Cisco, Meraki, OpenMesh, and Aruba to allow you to really leverage a previous sunk cost of hardware. A lot of companies spend a lot of money on hardware getting it installed, but they're not currently monetizing their guest network. They're not capturing data, they're not building loyalty, and they're not automating their marketing to build longer-term revenue models for all of their clients moving forward. One of the biggest advantages of our platform is that we offer a 100% white label captive portal solution. That means no one will ever see the MyWifi Networks brand, logo, or domain name, allowing agencies and MSPs to take complete ownership over the entire experience and to maximize revenues and margins moving forward. We're completely legally compliant, we're GDPR friendly, and we also operate in over 54 countries. So we act as the central part of your local marketing strategy where we help capture data, engage clients, build loyalty, and automate marketing on autopilot so that you can make more from the clients that are physically coming to your locations in real time. So if you're a digital agency or managed service provider looking to monetize your local business clients, if you're looking to capture data, increase marketing automation, and build loyalty, check out mywifinetworks.com, and we look forward to working with you.